Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to publish gigs on Fiverr. Whether you're offering graphic design, writing, programming, or any other freelance service, creating and publishing your first gig is the essential step to start earning on the platform. Let's walk through this process together. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all your freelance activities. Now, look at the top menu of your screen and click on My Business. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From there, select Gigs. This will take you to the section where you can view and manage all your existing gigs or create new ones. In the right panel of the Gigs page, you'll notice a button that says Create a New Gig. Click on it to begin setting up your first service offering. This is where you'll define what you're selling and how you want to present it to potential buyers. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your gig title. This title should be clear and descriptive, telling buyers exactly what service you're offering. Think of it as your headline that will grab attention in search results. Next, you'll need to select your category by clicking the drop-down menu. Browse through the options and choose the one that best fits your service. This helps Fiverr place your gig in the right marketplace section where buyers are actively searching. Right beside the first drop-down menu, you'll see another one for your subcategory. Click on it and select the most relevant option. This further narrows down your gig's classification, making it easier for the right audience to find you. After that, select your service type from the available options. This defines the nature of what you're delivering to your clients. Then move on to select your gig metadata type, which provides additional context about your offering. You'll also need to select your tool. This refers to the software or platform you'll use to deliver your service, which gives buyers more confidence in your technical capabilities. Look for the section labeled Search Tags. In the designated field, type relevant keywords that describe your gig, then press Enter after each tag. These tags are crucial as they help your gig appear in relevant searches across Fiverr. Once you've filled in all these details, click Save and Continue. This will take you to the next section where you'll provide all the necessary information about your service, including pricing, delivery time, and detailed descriptions of what buyers can expect. After completing that section, click Save and Continue again. You'll now need to answer all the required fields as you progress through the setup. This might include uploading portfolio samples, writing FAQ answers, and setting your pricing packages. Keep moving through each section until you reach the Publish section. This is your final stop before your gig goes live. Take a moment to review everything you've entered to make sure it accurately represents your service. Once you're confident everything looks good, click Publish Gig. Fiverr will then put your gig through an automatic review process to ensure it meets their guidelines and quality standards. This usually doesn't take too long, and you'll be notified once your gig is approved and live. And there you have it. You've successfully created and published your first Fiverr gig. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.